Are you worried someone else might be using your SIM card without your permission? Today, I'll show you simple steps to check if your SIM card is safe and how to find out if anyone else is using it. Let's get started. First, go to Play Store and download Sanchar Sathi apps. It's take 1 to 2 minutes to install. Once app installed, now open app. For the first time setup, choose Preferred App Language and click Proceed. In the next steps, press Explore button to view all the features you can use using this app. You need to register if using first time. Press Proceed button and provide your name, then app will send SMS from your SIM, and once registration complete you can use app. To check number in your name, tap option, No mobile number in your name. You will get list of all mobile number registered in your name. If you get any number that not your number, just select the number and choose Know My Number or report to telecom operator. Protect your mobile identity by regularly checking your SIM status. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel. Thanks for watching.